Product Demo, Biobatica Computers and Consultancy. Welcome to Digital Innovation Health in Fragile Contexts. Key customers, partners and clients, MD Consulting Engineers, NBM Development Bank, Youth and Society. Websites about us and Bio Software. Hello everyone, here are some letters of commendation award to provide consultancy services and evidence that we are among the shortlisted finalists. Letter of commendation from AMD Consulting Engineers. Letter of award of a contract to provide consultancy services on preparation of business plans for NBM Development Bank clients. Evidence that we are among the shortlisted finalists for Prix Suez Institute de France Awards, an initiative in the field of water access, sanitation or waste management. Letter of commendation from EMD Consulting Engineers. Letter of contract for consultancy services on preparation of business plans for NBM Development Bank clients. First evidence that we are among the shortlisted finalists for Prix Suez Institute de France Awards, an initiative in the field of water access, sanitation or waste management. Second evidence that we are among the shortlisted finalists for Prix Suez Institute de France Awards, an initiative in the field of water access, sanitation or waste management. Third evidence that we are among the shortlisted finalists for Prix Suez Institute de France Awards, an initiative in the field of water access, sanitation or waste management. Cheers to the numbers we have achieved and that we have the potential to achieve, with the sole vision to be the leaders in software development with highly customizable, security heightened solutions for businesses, governmental bodies and civil societies in Malawi and beyond, as well as making the world a better place. $15 million for Malawi and $35 billion for Africa, total addressable market annually. Do you face any such predicaments just as our clients did? We understand your pain. Investing time in data collection and management and excessive paperwork, facing problems in consolidating data across multiple departments, unable to generate and analyze comprehensive reports at various levels, looking to get absolute control on processes, increase local capacity and resilience in health systems, including the health workforce, supply chains, and primary care services. How can we build resilience in health systems and maintain access to care despite destabilizing events? If yes, all you need is Barrel. Barrel will drive efficiency and cost savings at your organization. Barrel will achieve transparency, productivity, and efficiency. And we have a complete solution to help you transform. The robust, feature-rich analytics equipped, user-friendly Barrel enables organizations to automate and streamline their functions and processes for both operations and the administration and the entire management of the core functions. Key stakeholders in Barrel: water engineers and experts, health workers, local leaders, support staff, key staff, investors, women, youth, NGOs, governments, and social enterprises. Here is the main menu for Barrel software. This is the form for water and waste management. Here is the form for health indicators. There are just so many. The list is just very long. This is a nutrition management form. This is a form for statistics for health research. Statistics for health research continues. Statistics for health research continues. Transport and fuel management form. Barrel offers interoperability, pricing models, SaaS license, hosting models on-premise, cloud plans, hybrid. There's a lot to share about Barrel, but here are a few crispy highlights. Analytics equipped, robust, user-friendly, feature-rich, scalable, and flexible. It's comprehensive. Barrel software enhances effectiveness, efficiency, and productivity. We are available 24/7 for support and we are ready to give training. Prices are reasonably low compared to competitors. Barrel software is customizable, it's cost-effective, it saves time and money. Data security and integrity are guaranteed. You reap these fantastic benefits to your organization: efficient work process flow across the organization, improved quality of interaction among stakeholders, substantial savings. The solution is better health in fragile contexts, outcomes and impacts, economic development and prosperity. Better health. Ambulatory services improve, no more water problems, reduce violence, juvenile delinquency and crimes. Class performance improves, education improves, unemployment decreases, access to credit is achieved, poverty is reduced, household income increases, standard of living improves, better houses and buildings, businesses do grow. Food security, population growth rate decreases, environment is protected, happy people, better development. The following sustainable development goals are achieved: ensure healthy lives, secure water and sanitation for all. Revenue from sale of barrel software and funds generated are used to fund social programs like giving, charities, and promoting environmental programs. Thank you very